Heard about the Burmese curl? Baby, I have it right here. I mean, luscious. Closure wig from Afsisterwig. It has combs and adjustable straps. This one doesn't come with bleach knots. The knots are super small in this wig, so don't need to bleach them. Nice and snug. You can see that the knots are really small. The hairline is pre-plucked. This much parting all the way to the back. The curls are so soft. Starts to fluff. There's just like a wave and a curl going on at the same time. And I'm definitely going to fluff this out some more. I did go ahead and define the hair, so wash it. This is what it will look like. Let me just touch it up and then we're going to install it. I'm going to go in with the Ruby Kisses cream foundation and we're going to touch this to the inside of the cap. So you can see how much I've used of this. I really love this product when it comes to hiding knots. This one is in number 5. All products and this wig will be linked below in the description box. Also, if you are wanting a discount, make sure you stay tuned because I may have a huge discount saving for you. Alright, so I added the concealer in the parting. It covered the knots very well. Welcome back, you guys. I hope you are having a wonderful week. I hope your weekend was fun. I like this wig. The fact that the curls are a little bit more chunkier. As you can see, look how big that curl is. You can see like it's like a S. Just depends too. As it fluffs out, it will change, but the chunkiness of these curls are so gorgeous. Let's go ahead and remove this extra lace. You can part this wig on a side. You can have a side part, a middle part. That lace blends pretty decent. Because I added the powder, it does leave a little bit of a line around the forehead. I'm going to take a bit of this hairspray, and I'm not using any tape, glue, or anything with this method. If you want to see how I tape my wigs down, I just put up a video giving a lot of tips, details on how to use tape without complications. If you are new to it or you just can't get it, check out that video. It has a lot of great tips. Press the hairline with some of this holding spray. And it's so crazy because I remember I was the type to always take my hot comb to a curly wig. With this curl, as you can see, it goes all the way to the root, and I just didn't want to disturb the pattern of it, so I'm not going to use a hot comb today. I still use it for like my loose wave wigs, just mostly my wavy wigs. So I'm just spraying the brush. You can spray it on the hair if you want to, but you don't have to. I'm just gonna get close to this parting to clean it up. This type of curl I feel like is really great for a vacation. It's just so pretty. Like so. We're gonna fix this right now. I'm just gonna take a bit of bronzer and a brush. Just take a little bit and touch the edge of that lace so it can blend with my forehead color. Now this is such a simple process. Of course, if you went back and bleached the knots, you wouldn't have to do this over and over again. You can just put your wig on and go. And it really isn't a hard process to bleach a 5x5 closure. All right, so I'm gonna take a pick. Like I said, I feel like this would be so pretty longer, and they do have length options on the website. This right here is a 20-inch. Let's break up the curls some. That was super easy to style. So the details for this is the 5x5 closure Burmese curl skin melt lace wig. You can get the option of getting a hair density either 150 or 180. I'm not sure what this density is, but if you like something full, definitely go with the 180. But remember, your density will also be measured with the length of the hair. The longer the hair, the density plays a part with that too. This right here is the 20-inch. You get 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, or 24. You can also get cap size options, average, small, or large. Average is like medium size cap. I love the fact that this closure wig have cap options because a lot of you always talk about the importance of being able to get a cap that fits, and I think that's very important. I'm reading the bottom part of the description. The standard density is 150, so definitely if you love your wigs to be full, go with that 180. It's going to be really pretty. This is very comfortable. As you can see, it's on there. If you want a more secure fit, check out my previous video. And here's a special code just for you watching today's video. Thank you so much for joining me for today's video, and I hope you all have a wonderful week. I will see you back in my next video. Mwah.